Hello and welcome to the next video telling you about Brass Bands England's new website. So if you haven't already, please have a look at the first video which talks about the homepage, how to join us and how to renew your membership. So if you've got to this video, hopefully you've already taken out membership either as an individual or for your band, and you've got used to seeing the homepage. So what you need to do now is be able to log in and access all the new things on the website. So to do that, we're going to go to the top right hand corner and click on Member Login, which will take you to our login page. Now what you'll not have if you've only just joined is an account. So to create one of those, you need to click on Create New Account. And there's a web form there ready for you to fill out. And if you make sure you type the name of your band here, and you'll start to see the names of our member bands pop up as you type, and you can select your band. And then at the end of that, you'll need to click on the reCAPTCHA just to check you're not a robot and create an account. You'll then receive an email, so open up your email and click on the link in there, which will help you create a password. So once you've created your account, you're able to log in. So to do that, go back to the login window, and I'm going to log in as myself. So I've just typed in my username and typed in my password and click login. This takes you to your member dashboard, and this is where you'll be able to modify your account. So under my account, you can change your profile and your preferences. There's also a link to register your band as a member if you're not already a member, and there's also a way to register as part of a member band. But for the rest of this video, I'm going to presume that we're talking to people that administer bands. So for those people, you'll see a view like this about your group. Now, if you're just a member of the band, you won't see things like manage group members, add a vacancy, add an event, but you'll be able to see your group profile. But for those that do manage bands, you'll want to be able to add and remove people from your band membership so that they can see the members area. To do that, go to this area called Manage Group, Update Members and Roles with the gear icon. So just click on that, and that takes you to your contact manager. Now I'm using Worsborough Brass, who I am involved with, and I'm not actually the treasurer, but I'm currently listed as a treasurer. So if you wanted to edit your membership, there's on the right hand side in orange, it says edit members awaiting approval. Now if somebody on the previous page has clicked join a member band, you'll see those people here. So you'll be able to then add or remove them from your band. Now if you've got several people in your group, you can click on edit next to their name, and that takes you to a pop-up like this, and you can change who there are. So I'm going to change myself from treasurer to musical director or conductor. I'm also a group member, and save changes. Now if you've got somebody who wants to use the website but isn't on your committee or involved but is just a member of your band, all they need to be is a group member. You don't need to click on anything else. So I'm going to save those changes. And you can see member details have been updated. So I'm going to go back to my member dashboard, which is up in the top right. And I'm going to show you how you can update the information about your band. So this time I'm going to use another band that I work with, Stockport Silver, and I'm going to click on the group profile. So here you can see that they've created a bit of information about the band. There's a video. I haven't put any contact details yet, but there's things there. But because I'm an administrator for this group, I can click on Edit Band Info. Now that takes you to this page, which is the band details. This is where you can create various different fields that tell people about your band. You can upload the band's logo. You can put the address that you rehearse at, and as well as other bits and pieces like what section you're in. Now, and quite importantly, at the bottom, we have this space called instrument vacancy, and it's just a tick list. So if you want to recruit new players, you can just tick on here, and it will add that to the search on our Find a Band feature, which I'll demonstrate in a minute. So let's add a new one. So what should we tick now? I'm going to tick solo trombone, and so I've added that, and I'm going to submit that to make sure it's saved. So there it says, thank you for updating your band's details, and we can go back to the form, or we could go and do something else. So I'm just going to demonstrate the Find a Band feature finally for this video, which you find by clicking on Find a Band. Now, this is only viewable to people that have had an account, but this could be a free account where you're not associated to a band. So you might be able to go and click on some instrument vacancy types. So we just clicked on solo trombone, and we're going to look at the northwest area, which is where Stockport based. And we're going to search, and there you can see Stockport Silver Band has shown up as having a vacancy for solo trombone, and then there's an email address there to email the band directly. So hopefully this will become a tool that you can use to aid your recruitment, but don't forget to keep coming back to update your vacancies, and to do that you get back to it by clicking on Member Dashboard, and then we've made a quick link where you can click Add a Vacancy, and it takes you to that page, and then you scroll down and you've got your vacancies there. So I'm just going to remove that one again before we finish and click Submit. So that's a little introduction to some of the new features on the Brass Bands England's website. I hope you found that interesting, and I'll be back with another update again soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.